the state trooper. Oh my God, bro. Come on, man.
Oh, that's Brando, you know that glossy like soprano. That Challenger camo be dripping the fits in the shoes. The ladies don't wait in no line for no kick. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked all to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe it go room.
What's going on, YouTube? I didn't even give y'all the intro yet, and some bullshit happens. I don't get it, bro. Like, bro is my witness, bro. He was behind me going up 75. I see GSP. If you don't know what GSP is, Georgia State Patrol in Atlanta. Georgia State Patrol, the trooper, was I think it was 3-4 lanes over. I jumped over 2 lanes to get away from this nigga. This man, bro, I swear to God, bro. Like I said, bro, my witness, he pissing right now. Bro, this man hit the lights and walked me over 4 lanes to get me. Man, boy, I kid you not, boy. I kid you not, boy. That rap coming off, man. At this point, man, it's a target. He didn't ask me for my license. All he did was take my tag off and want to talk about my YouTube in my car. I don't got time for that, bro. I don't got time for that, bro. So I'm pissed, but I'm gonna still get out this video, man. So y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed. Like this video. That shit right there just pissed me off, bro. Cause it's like I wasn't even doing nothing wrong, wasn't even speeding, nothing, bro. Like, you pulled me over because you see my car and just trying to find a reason for you pulling me over. That shit not cool, man. So we waiting on a couple more people, man. Then we're gonna go head to this spot and see what's going on. But go ahead and like this video. At this point, I'm not surprised that I'll get pulled over, but it's ridiculous on how many times I get pulled over. If you follow me on my social media, you know I get pulled over a lot for crazy reasons. But this one right here definitely takes the cake, man. This one definitely takes the cake, man. This shit just pissed me off, man. So when bro get here, I'm gonna turn it back on, man. But alright. Boy, goddamn, boy. That shit ain't no joke, boy. Boy, it's a little bit of everything out here, though. It's a little bit of everything. We got G8, SCR, GTR, I said SCR, GTRs, a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna show you what's around here, man. But hopefully we get some action tonight. Oh, God. Hey. Where we at, bro? Where we at, bro?
Hey, man, listen, bro.
Talk to him, bro.
Listen, bro. There's some beautiful cars out here. Whoever this is right here, whoever racing this guy got a hell on his hands. Whoever he racing, I don't know who the hell.
Yeah, boy, he ever racing, boy. He already collected the money, boy. There's a little bit of everything out here, though. Sheesh. That bit tough. 5-0 motherfucker. Boy, one of my dream cars, bro. One of my dream cars, bro. GTR motherfucker. I like the rap though. The rap tough. My mama the rap tough. Sheesh. That be hard. Nigga done pulled up. Migo done pulled up on that.
Hey, son, they got no kids.
Well, Migo pulled up. You got the goddamn stinger right there. Make that bitch jump. Make that bitch jump. That boy leaning on that. That bitch hard as fuck though. On God. Make that bitch jump. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Migo ain't playing. Yeah, Migo showing out. Woo! Face ass.
Hey, man, that crazy.
That nigga showing his ass. My boy Tay pulled out in the goddamn cat. Look at them hips on that bitch. Thick ass cat, boy. Look at the hips on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Right beside we got another cat, you feel me? Back to back cats, you feel me? Hips, boy. Back to back cats, you feel me? Hopefully he let me drive a bit one day. On God. We got a little bit of everything, but we got the Acurana right here. Pulling in, he leaning and shit. You got the goddamn vet pulling in, you feel me? Sunlight. It's a lot of fast shit out here, you know what I'm saying? I'm really. You got the stain. Hey Tay, you gonna let me drive the arms? You gonna let me drive the cat?
You can drive it right now.
I can drive right now.
My nigga.
Hey bro, hey, you're a real one, bro. You're a real one, bro. These niggas out here. They're hungry, boy. What we got here, boy? What sauce we got here? What we got here, boy? Got the Rick Ross motherfuckers, man. Rick Ross motherfuckers. Let me grab one and see the bitch.
Ross did not make the hole.
Let me see what Ross talking about.
He did not create this. He said lemon pepper. They
alright. They alright. You gotta do better. My boy, what's up with you?
Oh, what up?
You good? What that boy? What that on camera?
I'm over there at the.
They started sliding yet?
Nah.
I didn't.
We took the dog out to the right. Hey, we took the dog out to the right. Hey,
B ain't taking the car. No, B ain't not on y'all team. No. Listen, man. B ain't taking the car. Y'all built that car back there. Why, bro? Alright then. Y'all might want to get that. Get him a link.
Oh shit. Bro got caught by the undercover. Oh, it's over with. State Patrol, boy. Oh, boy, that boy ain't playing, boy. Oh, shit. Oh, no, ain't no undercover. That's State Patrol. That bitch ain't no joke, boy. Boy, that nigga got State Patrol on the side of his car, bro. That's crazy. GSP ain't bullshitting, boy. And there go another one. Another undercover right there. And there go another one right there. Boy, these boys out here, boy. These folks is out here. Oh, my boy straight though, man. But yeah. Oh, they go another one. They go another. These boys out here. But that's undercover for real though. Ugly ass, what you looking at? Ugly ass. You gonna go ahead and slide that bitch twin when you slide out? They don't go yet, boy.
They got hella here coming right.
God. But these boys is out here, bro. You got the undercover right there. Hopefully Buddy's straight. But look how deep this shit is, man. Sheesh. That boy getting up out of there. Alright, man, bro. I'm happy that old boy got out, bro. But GSP is on the bullshit tonight, boy. They pulling over everybody. They pulling over everybody, man. So we I guess about to go to this another location because this location got clipped. So I'm with the gang right now. So we just got down about to head over. So I'm gonna see how way I get there. Pretty sure y'all still watching the video. It's fuck 12, fuck GSP. Y'all see what I go through, bro. Y'all see what I go through. This is ridiculous, bro. But I'm gonna turn back on, bro, once we get to the next location. Yo, 12 is out here, bro. On God, 12 is out here, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. They ain't gotta go on the speed limit, drive the speed limit, don't drink and drive. Bro, 12 is outside tonight, bro. I'm about to take my ass home, man, but I gotta get out the footage, so make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Copyright, can't get no copyright claim. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man, cause it's cold as shit outside and I'm getting out of this footage. So it's only right y'all subscribe. And 12 is outside and it's hot. I already got pulled over. I'm already on 10. Hey man, subscribe. I'm gonna turn back on once we get here. Alright, yes sir. We got a mean ass lineup. Boy in the 392 wide body. It's Cat, Stain, Brand on the camo. Little something light G8. Nice little lineup, man. Got the Infinity, got the Stinger. Shout out to Mondoose. I know she watching this video. Mondoose. Out here matching the vibes. Stain. Got the Charlie. My boy Ron in the back with the lights. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit of everything out here though, man. But yeah, GSP is out here, bro. Bro, listen, GSP is outside tonight, bro. Like, I kid you not, bro. So hopefully I'm gonna play it cool, man, get out this footage. But it's a little bit of everything out here though, man. So I'm gonna see what else is out here, see what's going on, man. It's oh shit, boy getting active, boy. That boy getting active, man. Stop playing. That boy getting active, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stop playing that boy. Yes, sir, boy, slung that hoe. That boy got that bit turned. That boy got that bit turned. Finally, we got some action shit. I'm trying to tell you, oh God. Oh God. fucking loud. That shit too loud. God damn. That been too fucking loud, boy. My damn ears hurt. Press about to go? Talk your shit. Pop your shit. Okay. Okay. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay. 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 Oh. God damn. Talk your shit. Let's go. That nigga sliding that bitch for real. On my mama. He sliding that hoe. He sliding that bitch. He sliding that bitch. He sliding that bitch. That nigga slid that hoe. Hell yeah. Let's go.
Come on, hit that shit. Come on.
Oh shit. Bro, these niggas turned. These niggas is turned out here, bro. That 300 went crazy, bro, my mama. That nigga turned, but we need to go and leave for 12 come on my mama. Hey man, where we at? Where we at? Yes, sir. You know what's going on, man. Oh, he's parking. Yo, they pulling everybody. They just pulled somebody else over. Oh, God, we gotta go, bro. They got the helicopters out here. They got 2 helicopters out here. My partner just got pulled over. They just pulled somebody else over there. The whole game about to leave, bro. This is a crazy ass night, yo. Crazy night. GAP is not playing tonight. GAP is not playing tonight. Yo, this is wild, bro. This is like a movie. It feel like it's a movie, bro. Cause it's like undercovers everywhere. GAP is all over the fucking place. I'm not doing no wrong. I'm chilling. I ain't doing that. I'm really just chilling out here enjoying, you know, this nice, beautiful weather. You feel me? Playing GTA. But yeah, it's crazy right now, bro. Like this is crazy. This is crazy. This is why I stay in the house. But I'm out here giving y'all this content. So like this video, man. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think, man. Like, am I getting y'all this good footage or not? Like, let me know, bro. God damn. Hold on. Y'all think this shit's a game? You got a tow truck right there. You got the undercover sitting right there. That is a undercover. I promise you it is. Tow truck sitting right there. Come on, bro. I gotta get up out of here. I gotta go home. I gotta go home. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I gotta use the bathroom. Yeah, let me get up out of here, bro. Cause 12 is outside. And they're not about to get Brendo. Not about to get Brendo. I'm gonna turn it back on. Yes, sir. Yo, that's the undercover right there. On my mama it is, bro. Look at that. You can see his lights beside his own license plate. Bro, hop off, bro. Hop off. Tell everybody hop off. Tell everybody hop off. Cause I don't know, this nigga following y'all, bro. Yeah, ain't had no. Bro, they got the helicopter out. Bro, I swear to God, bro. Listen, bro, I kid you not. Bro, with that line, bro? With that line?
Yeah, no.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, undercover was following us, bro.
Bro, listen, bro, we got so many undercover police cars, bro. Listen, the new police cars, bro, they don't got no badges on their cars.
None.
But like, soon as they hit their light,
Bro, that bit light up. That bit be all black. Soon as they hit them lights, the whole car light up, bro. I'm telling you. This shit crazy. Then they saw GFP get behind me. Bro, it's a crazy. Huh? You gotta go there? It's a crazy at night, bro. Crazy at night. Oh, God. What's there go GFP right there, boy. I kid you not, boy. It's 2 of them. Oh, 3 of them. Sheesh. These niggas not playing. Bro, I'm telling them helicopters ain't no joke. Boy, them boys is out here, boy. It's 3 GFP, bro. They following us, bro. I kid you not. You see one right there. See one right there. But GFP on the bullshit, bro. Bro, I kid you not, bro. 12 is everywhere. Yo, that's crazy. And what's that right there? Look like undercover. Oh, that 12 right, that GFP. Oh God, these folks ain't playing. Hey man, say man, oh, it's dark as hell in here, man. But it is 12:40, about damn near 1 o'clock, and I'm just now pulling into the crib, man. Tonight was a crazy ass night. Thank y'all for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. if you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you lame as hell, but you ain't lame because you about to subscribe now, so you my people. Drop a comment, tell me what you think, man, because GAP show their ass, APD show their ass, GD, AAA, whatever you want to call it, they show their ass tonight. It was a crazy ass night, man. I'm happy I made it home safe. Happy all the bros made it home safe, man. So appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Like this video, man. Subscribe, man. Brando out. Yes, sir.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New Mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. I'm trenching.